How to build a garden planter with minimal tools. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Let's talk planters for a moment. How many of you have gone to the store, picked up a vibrant, fancy-looking planter, flipped the price tag and thought, wow, this is pricey for what it is? Or maybe you've struggled to find something that truly fits your gardening aesthetics. Well, guess what? You don't need to settle. Today we're diving into a fun and super satisfying project, creating your very own garden planter using minimal tools. Not only is this project easy on your wallet, but it's also a fantastic way to flex those DIY muscles, customize your gardening space, and add a touch of personal flair to your green spaces. And trust me, there's nothing quite like the satisfaction of planting something in a container you built with your own hands. So grab your tools, roll up those sleeves, and let's get started. Let's face it, store-bought planters are convenient, but they often come at a cost, literally and figuratively. High prices and limited styles can really take the joy out of picking the perfect planter. Here's where DIY comes to the rescue. By making your own garden planter, not only do you get to save money, but you also have the freedom to fully customize its style, size, and even the materials to match your garden's vibe. It's a win-win. Plus, it's a perfect project for honing your skills, whether you're a seasoned dyer or just starting out. And did I mention how rewarding it feels to see your plants thriving in something you built from scratch? It's pure magic. For this project, we're keeping it super beginner-friendly. All you'll need is a few simple hand tools, some basic materials, and your creativity. Let's jump into what you'll need to bring your DIY planter to life. Before we dive into the building process, let's go over your materials checklist. Don't worry, the list is short, affordable, and easy to source. Wood planks. Choose a type that's untreated and weather-resistant if your planter will live outdoors. Pine or cedar works great. *** measuring tape. ***. Precision is key to making it all fit together. ***, saw ***, a handsaw will do the job, no fancy power tools needed. ***, screws or nails ***, to secure the pieces together. ***, hammer or screwdriver ***, depending on your fasteners of choice. ***, sandpaper ***, to smoothen the edges of your wood. ***, wood stain or paint ***, optional, for that extra personalized finish. ***, plastic lining ***, optional, helps protect your wood and plants. Got that ready? Great, now it's time to put it all together. Follow these simple steps and soon you'll have a sturdy, stylish planter, all crafted by you. Begin by deciding how big you want your planter to be. Grab your measuring tape and mark your wood planks accordingly. Once you have your measurements, use the handsaw to cut out your base, side, and end pieces. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Imperfection adds character. Just ensure the sides are consistent to fit together. Once all your pieces are cut, sand down the edges for a smooth feel and to avoid splinters. Sanding also helps prepare the wood for paint or stain if you choose to add a pop of color later. Start assembling by positioning your base piece on a flat surface. Attach the side panels one by one, using nails or screws to secure them firmly. Pro tip: work slowly to ensure everything lines up evenly. If you're feeling creative, now's the time to give your planter a personality. Add a coat of wood stain for a natural look or a splash of cheerful paint to brighten up your garden. You can also line the inside with plastic to improve durability and protect the planter from water damage. Once everything is securely assembled and painted, if you chose to paint, step back and take a good look. Your DIY garden planter is done. Whether you're going for a rustic, classy, or colorful vibe, you now have a completely custom piece designed by you. Now that your planter is ready, it's time for the best part: filling it with soil, planting your favorite flowers or herbs, and seeing your project come to life. Trust me when I say the moment your first plant goes in, you'll feel pure joy and pride in your creation. So why not make a few more? This same method can be used to create planters of various sizes and shapes to suit your home or garden. Get creative with it and have fun experimenting. I can't wait to see what you come up with. If you try this project, don't forget to share your finished planters in the comments below. Got ideas for other DIY projects? Let me know. I love hearing from our creative community. And hey, if you enjoyed making this planter, why not check out some of my other DIY tutorials? From garden improvements to home crafts, there's something for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this DIY adventure. If you found this tutorial helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's keep building, creating, and sharing ideas together. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.